this from you. I haven't had anything.
My goodness, where do you girls put it?
My mom, my dad. No, my mom doesn't eat that much. Yeah, so it's kind of my dad. Well, my dad's a truck driver. He's out driving truck actually right now. There, the hot dog's yours. The cheeseburger's mine. Who's the last one? I'm pretty sure it was. If it wasn't, it wasn't. But I'm pretty sure it was. Second time
It's
anymore.
a good time.
Yeah, he got the gate nicely this time.
Keep on going, girl. Boy.
I'll
Doing
get
a
you.
good job.
Oh, they lost it there.
Yeah, they lost it there. They're still got a good time if they can get them back around.
He's getting over to get the gate. That's good.
Good time.
Alright. You don't need this.
The gate's closed.
It'll explode.
Oh, she swung it too hard.
Tap,
Top.
tap on the top of it, Larkin. Tap, tap, tap.
That's good.
That's the way to go.
Yeah. Kind of look like her.
Cool.
Who?
Selena Gomez.
Oh. I'm super bit better than her.
She's dating Justin Bieber.
She is?